Okay, I'm going to try and do a little bit of a tutorial the best I can to help out other people who are going to do a conversion of a industrial hobbies mill, which is a PM45 hopped up on steroids. Actually, it's the bed really that's hopped up most, and with the bigger motor. That's a 3 horsepower motor. I've got the Tico attached to it, and I also have my DRO, which is attached to it also, which is really now repetitive, but just the same. That's fine. Micro Kenetics is the company that I chose to go with in respect to a CNC system. It must weigh, oh my god, 50 pounds. It is just built like a bear. Here's the conversion on the y-axis. It's got 2 Timkins opposing each other. Plate, Timkin before that on the journal, then this plate, then this plate, then a Timkin in there. There's the bearings are thrust in there. Then this obviously moves it, and then 2 of these bolts. Cam follower, and then the pulley goes on the stepper motor. I've grooved in. I had to do it with my my little trusty Dremel tool, which is probably one of the greatest tools invented of lately. Besides this is just great. If you haven't bought one of these, you might really want to consider it. It's a ratcheted tapping set, tap and die handle, and it prevents you from having to go hand over hand. It's made by K&D Tools. Really nice, and distributed by other companies as well. So support is fabulous over at Micro Kenetics. Really nothing like the manufacturer, well actually the redistributor of the mill. I can't say that I was impressed at all with Industrial Hobbies. I'd be lying to you straight away. I mean, their customer service is just non-existent, and if you can buy the mill and hop it up yourself, you're probably better off, and you'd probably save a lot of money and a lot of aggravation. I waited 6 months for this mill, and it was just ridiculous. But Micro Kenetics got me the stuff that I needed, and so far so good. So right now I'm going to put on the X-axis. There it is, sitting on my trusty table. Good thing to have, pumping it up and down. You can pick it up at Northern Freight. And I ground out, tubed it up, got it ready for oiling, and I'm hooking it up to a pressurized bottle for oiling, so it'll be constant. It'll be at a constant pressure. I'm not going to use a one-shot oiler because I just don't feel that that's really going to do it. I want the oil to flush out of there, and I probably won't use whey oil either because I think it's too sticky. These machines are they catch way too much in the ways, and they're going to find grit, and I want it just to flush out, and I'll be glad to waste the oil if I can save the life of the mill over the long period of time, because Lord knows, you cut something, you're going to be finding the dust all over the place. So I'll let you know how it's going. This is it's a long process. Yeah, I had to open up the hole over here behind inside the mill. I also had to cut away the table a little bit to get more travel, and I also had to cut this guide piece down about 3/8 of an inch, and I just used my plasma cutter for that, and that's about it. Okay, I'll let you know what's going on next.